madinig niya that I apologize because of my own limited knowledge and experience, first-time producer. I made some calls that somehow hindi nakatulong sa kanya. And I take responsibility for that. And I hope she accepts my apology. Dahil it wasn't my intention. She's always been my dream to work with her. Siya ang first choice ko talaga. Kaya when you ask about how did you, siya kaagad ang in fact, this was never offered to anyone else. Sa kanya lang.
Sir, your apology now, is this you reaching out to her?
I did reach out to their camp several times. Yeah. So just so you know. And yung sadness in my heart is this. You saw the success in America. Right? Big people, important people, first Filipino-American billionaire loves it.